my alarm clock went off. Gotta hurry. Okay, so. Oh my goodness. I believe there was a gremlin that came in here and went through my makeup. I can't find anything. That is strange. I found them. Alright, so I'm going to use brush. This lighter brush called Blush. It's like the lightest one. Which is weird because I'm wearing black, but we're just gonna go with it because I don't want to look like a raccoon. All right, so there's that color, and then I'm gonna go with my stipple brush, and I'm actually gonna put a darker color on there, and I'm just gonna stipple in the side here and go up. Always go up if you can. I'm trying to hide I've got a hooded eye, so I'm trying to hide that hood. Wish I could do that with my belly. Hide that. I think they call it a fupa. I don't know what that is, and I'm sorry if I said a bad word because I don't know what that word means. I guess I need to look it up before I say it. I'm embarrassing myself. All right. Strange. Oh well. I have got to, this is just mine. I may not be doing it right, but it's how I'm doing it for right now. When I learn more, I will. And I just blend it in. I'm not like, I'm just trying to get the sharp edges off. And go up. Okay. All right. I know a lot of people use more than 2 colors, and when I get more comfortable with it, I will. Oh, I cannot. I can't see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna look in the mirror. I'm just coming through with that same black and coming underneath for my little liner. And again, this is a work look. You can do a more dramatic eyes, I guess, at night. But even though it's night when I get home most of the time, yeah. Then I'm gonna go in with my eyebrow pencil. I've got some pharmacy eyebrow pencil coming, so I'm excited about that, to try that. Oh, I need to blend that a little more. Try to get my peaks there. You just kind of do a little X. All right. Done. And I am just going to put, I can't find my lip gloss, so I'm just gonna put chapstick on. This is Burt's Bees. My lips get really dry. But anyway, I'll find all my stuff. And we'll spoolie this out. Okay, and add a little bit more light. And up here, brighten it up a little bit. And right in here, right there. I don't have the illuminating or whatever stuff, so I just found my blush. I'm just gonna put a little bit on top of the contour. And again, just go up motion. I'm lighter. Okay. And then last is this little curly thing. Hope I don't catch my eyelids like I do every morning. And this one. And mascara. And I'm not going to bore you with all that. Well, you can watch a little bit. Try not to get it everywhere. And the other eye. I gotta do 2 coats. I guess I'm going like Johnny Cash today. That's what I tell my best friend Marnie. I like when I wear black, we tell each other we're channeling Johnny Cash. And then there's that. And now I'm going to work on my hair. Thank y'all for joining me. And this little thing is awesome. The little thing, my niece, Lauren, told me this would help my hair to dry. That's my curliness. And that's before I brush it out. But I'm going to wear it straight today. Love y'all. Have a great day.